7 habits that will take back control of your finances. Taking charge of your finances is crucial for financial stability and peace of mind. By implementing these strategies, you can control your spending, save more, and reduce debt. This proactive approach allows you to build a solid financial foundation, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected expenses and future goals. 1. Pay yourself first. Start by automatically putting a percentage of your money into a separate savings account. Keep this separate from your main bank account so you're not tempted to reach for or spend it. Plus, when you pay yourself first before paying bills, you're building up your savings and prioritizing how you spend your paycheck. 2. Start a side business that pays off instantly. If your salary isn't enough, you should definitely consider a side business. Even if your salary is decent, I always recommend having another source of income. When you want to escape from a lifeline to a paycheck, finding ways to earn extra money is essential. Building a career and increasing your salary takes time, so a side business that pays off immediately is huge. 3. Downsize your lifestyle. As much as you might not want to, going paycheck to paycheck requires downsizing your lifestyle. Sometimes it can be more drastic than you'd like, but it all depends on your current financial situation. For example, your house or apartment is one of your biggest expenses. It might be time to downsize or move to a more affordable place. I had to move back in with my mom and dad when I was really struggling. 4. Understand your spending habits. Besides your major living expenses, you'll need to take a hard look at your overall spending habits. You might realize you have a spending problem that's causing you financial strain. This isn't always the case, but regardless, you need to understand where your money is going and track your spending. You might also discover ways to drastically reduce your spending that you never thought existed until you get your numbers in order. 5. Limit your credit card use. If you have a credit card and use it a lot, now is a good time to limit its use or not use it at all for a while. Your credit card debt can crush your finances and eat up your paycheck, so don't add more to your totals. If you can't control your spending, you might need to cut it down and get rid of it altogether for now. This way, you won't be adding more money with accruing interest, and you can start paying off any debt. 6. Don't rely on bonuses, tax refunds, or raises. This advice is just a mindset, but when doing anything with your money, never rely on potential bonuses, tax refunds, or raises. When you work for someone else, there are no guarantees, even if you've received something in the past. By removing this dependency, you can manage your money and spending better, so you don't end up in a tight spot when those extra funds don't materialize. 7. Ignore what your friends or family have. Trying to maintain a lifestyle just to keep up with your friends, family, or colleagues can put you in financial trouble. This is especially true if you're already barely making ends meet. You can now start accumulating more credit card debt or just spending frivolously for appearances.